So what we started off with was actually Atari games from the 80s, which are really the first iconic platform that had a lot of very popular, challenging games on it. And we decided to start with that. And what we did is we started with an open source emulator for Atari games, and we souped it up and made it more robust and made it run faster. And then we plugged in our AI algorithms into this system. Now I'm going to show you a couple of videos of the AI system working. But before I do that, I just wanted to explain to you what it is you're going to see. So the AI system here only gets the raw pixels as inputs. So it's almost as if we'd set up a video camera observing the screen, and the only information that it gets is the raw pixels. So it doesn't know anything about what it's controlling. It doesn't know what the aim of the game is. It doesn't know how to get points. All it's being told is that its goal is to maximize the score. Everything else is learned from scratch. And then there's the sort of generality component comes in again, where we require a single system to play all the different games out of the box. And there's obviously dozens and dozens of very, very different Atari games. So the first video I'm going to show you is Space Invaders, probably the most iconic game that there's ever been. And I'm going to show you sort of two parts of this video. So in the beginning, as I roll the video now, you'll see what the agent looks like when it first encounters this environment. Now, it's controlling the rocket at the bottom of this screen. Obviously, it's trying actions randomly because it has no idea what it's supposed to be doing, and it loses its 3 lives almost immediately. Now, if you leave the machine training overnight and you come back the next day, the machine now is superhuman at the game. So every single shot it fires hits something. It can't be killed anymore. It's worked out that the pink mothership at the top of the screen is worth a lot of points. It does these amazingly accurate shots. And you can see that the model it's built of the world is extremely accurate. So those of you who played Space Invaders back in the 80s will remember that as there's less of them, they get faster. If you just watch the last shot, you'll see that it's sort of predicted where that Space Invader is going to end up, and fires the shortest shot ahead of time.